Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 9th of exercise 13.2. The question says a car takes 2 hours to reach a destination by traveling at the speed of 60 km per hour. How long will it take when the car travels at a speed of 80 km per hour? So obviously, first of all, let's find the number of parameters. The first is the number of hours and second is the speed. So the first thing here it is speed and second is time. So it is given that when the car is traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour, it takes 2 hours to reach a destination, and if the same car travels at the speed of 80 km per hour, the number of hours it take, you have to find out. Now these are the parameters. Now let's check whether this is a case of direct proportion or indirect proportion. For that, if I increase the speed, okay, let's understand this by an example that you are going from your home to your school and you are getting late. Means you have less time to reach your school. So what will you do? So obviously you will increase your speed, then only you will reach the school in time. So that's mean when the time is less, you have to increase your speed to reach your school. So obviously this is a case of indirect proportion, where when the speed is increased, the time taken by you to reach your school will be less. So this is an inverse proportion. To solve this, x can be written here equals to the value above this is written here. Now this is inverse proportion, so I can multiply. So this will be 60 by 80. So this can be cancelled, and 2, this is 4 times. Now this is 2 and 2 3 times. So this will be 3 by 2 hours, or this can be written as 1 by 2 hours. So this will take 1.5 hours to complete the same journey. So there can be another method of solving the same question. So if the car is traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour, the time taken by this is 2 hours. Now if the same car, suppose, is traveling with 1 km per hour, so the time taken by this will be, obviously the speed here it is decreased, so obviously time taken by this will be more. So to increase the time, I have to multiply this with 60. So this would be the time. Now you have to find if the same car is traveling with 80 kilometers per hour. So obviously now you have to multiply, you have multiplied this by 80, or you can say the speed is increased, so obviously the time will decrease. So to decrease the time, I have to divide this by this value, which is 80. So this can be cancelled, this can be cancelled 4 times, and this will be 2 times, this will be 3 times, and the same result, which is 3 by 2 hours, or this can be written as 1 upon 2 hours. So 1.5 hours will take this car to reach the destination. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem regarding maths, you can contact us. The email address, the phone number and the website is given below in the description. Thank you.